This is a brass ball cork. It is a valve used to open or close water manually using your hands. They are of different diameters, for example, half an inch, 3/4 inch, etc. They are always placed at an outlet. To replace a faulty brass ball cork, follow the demonstration in the video. To install onto a machine, for example a filling station or a filling line, one simply screws it tightly onto the tap outlet to avoid leakage. To use it, one simply just turns the blue handle and water begins to dispense.